Welcome to the financial rabbit hole, where red and blue pills won't determine your fate, but making the right investment choices will. Step into the matrix of investment wisdom as we unravel the 7 common mistakes that haunt every beginner investor portfolio. Hi, I'm Sarjan. Welcome to my channel. Mistake number 1, trying to time the market. The classic blunder of playing hide and seek with the market's elusive timing. It's like trying to catch a bullet mid-air with a pair of chopsticks. Sure, you might have seen Neo dodging bullets in slow motion, but let me bust your bubble. You are not the chosen one when it comes to market timing. The market is sneaky shape-shifting beast that thrives on making fools out of those who think they can predict its every move. It's like trying to outsmart the oracle herself. So put away that crystal ball and stop chasing the next hot tip. Instead, focus on building solid long-term strategy that can weather the storm and ride the waves of volatility. Remember, time is a commodity you can never get back. So spend it wisely by avoiding the futile game of market timing. Have you ever tried to time the market? Share your comments below. Mistake number 2, falling victim of FOMO, which is fear of missing out. Picture this: you're standing at the edge of the matrix, staring at a dazzling display of investment opportunities that promise you the world. The whispers of FOMO echo through the digital corridors, tempting you to take the plunge without a second thought. It's like seeing the red pill and thinking it will lead you to the utopian of investment paradise. But beware, my curious investor, for FOMO is the Agent Smith of the financial world, ready to hijack your rationality and trap you into a cycle of impulsive decisions. It's like believing you can leap tall buildings like Neo without even breaking a sweat. Alas, reality strikes harder than a bullet, and the consequences of falling prey to FOMO can be as harsh as a red pill-induced awakening. Embrace the power of patience and analysis. Remember, the market will always offer its juiciest opportunities, and succumbing to FOMO is like surrendering your mind to the matrix itself. Break free from the shackles of impulsive behavior, my friend, and choose investment based on solid research and thoughtful decision making. It's time to unplug from FOMO's illusory grip and forge your own path towards financial freedom. What investment opportunities have you felt FOMO about? How did you handle it? Comment below so others can learn from your experience. Mistake number 3, picking individual stocks over index funds. The ultimate battle between choosing individual stocks and embracing the power of index funds. A choice as epic as the final showdown between Neo and the Agent Smith in the Matrix trilogy. It's like standing at the crossroads, torn between dodging bullets one by one or unleashing a bullet storm that covers all your bases. But let me be your financial oracle and shed some light on this conundrum. Picking individual stock is akin to believing you possess Neo's prophetic abilities to see the market's every move. It's like thinking you can outsmart the Matrix complex algorithm with a mere flick of your mouse. However, my novice investor, the truth is more elusive than a glitch in the system. While a well-researched individual stock may offer you moments of glory, the path is riddled with hidden pitfalls where even the most promising opportunities can turn into financial nightmare faster than the Matrix glitch. On the other hand, index funds are like the army of oracle, pooling together the collective strength of multiple stocks to provide you with a diversification and stability. They offer a steady, broad-based approach that guards against the uncertainties of the market. It's like choosing the power of collaboration over the lone wolf mentality. So embrace the wisdom of oracle and consider the merits of index funds. Let go the illusion that you can outwit the market single-handedly instead. Join forces with the collective power of indices, ensuring a balanced and diversified portfolio that can withstand the twists and turns of the matrix-like financial world. Remember, it's not about dodging every bullet. It's about finding the right balance of power to emerge victorious in the long run. Mistake number 4, getting lured into leverage trading. Leverage trading is like playing with fire, especially for beginners. It involves borrowing money to amplify your potential returns. While it may sound enticing, it also magnifies your losses if the market goes against you. As a beginner, it's crucial to focus on building a strong foundation of investment knowledge and experience before venturing into leverage trading. Take the time to understand the risks involved and proceed with caution. Mistake number 5, having a short-term outlook. Beware the allure of short-term gains, my friend, for the matrix rewards those with a marathon mindset, not a sprinter's haste. Having a short-term outlook is like wearing blinders, missing the bigger picture of the market's intricate dance. Don't be fooled by the illusion of quick wins. Instead, focus on building a solid foundation for sustained growth. The matrix honors those who possess patience, see beyond chaos, and embrace the long-term narrative. So resist impatience, my fellow investors, and unlock the true potential of the matrix by adopting a strategic long-term vision. As an investor, how do you maintain a long-term outlook when investing? If you have any tips or strategies, make sure to share in the comment below. Mistake number 6, diversification. In the matrix of investing, imagine facing Agent Smith with just one weapon. That's what happens when you invest all your assets in a single stock or sector. Embrace diversification. Spend your investments across different industries, asset classes, and geographical regions to fortify your portfolio against market volatility. Don't let yourself be confined to a single stock or sector. Expand your horizon and let your portfolio thrive amidst uncertainty. Just as the resistance relies on the collective power of their diverse force, you too can find strength in the well-diversified portfolio. portfolio. Mistake number 7, ignoring fees and expenses. The elusive villains lurking in the shadows of financial realms fees, and expenses, cunningly disguised as the agents of the matrix, ready to drain your hard-earned profits faster than a bullet through Neo's sunglasses. They are like the code glitches you overlook, silently eroding your portfolio's power while you are busy chasing the next investment high. Overlooking fees and expenses is like entering a matrix blindfolded, unaware of the toll they take on your financial journey. It's like assuming you can navigate the digital maze unscattered, oblivious to the drain of your resources. Remember, every transaction, every management fee, and every expense ratio is a sentinel guarding its piece of the financial pie. Unchecked, they multiply, devouring your profits until you find yourself trapped in the red pill-induced nightmare. So embrace the wisdom of the oracle and shine the light on these hidden adversaries. Scrutinize every fee, compare expense ratios, and choose investment vehicles that minimize the impact of these lurking agents. Take control of your financial destiny, my savvy investors, and break free from the chains of unnecessary expense. Only then will you emerge as the true masters of the matrix, safeguarding your hard-earned wealth and reaping the rewards of your strategic choices. And that concludes our journey through the financial matrix, my fellow travelers. Remember, the power to shape your financial destiny is in your hands. Armed with the newfound knowledge and wisdom, you can navigate the complexities of the market and build a portfolio that leaves others in awe. Embrace the lesson learned from beginners investors' mistakes and stay curious, always seeking to expand your understanding. Adaptability is the key in the ever-changing landscape. So explore new strategies and seek guidance from those who have walked the path before. Unleash your inner Neo, defy the limits, and forge a path towards a prosperous future. Thank you for joining me on the adventure. May your investment be bold, your profits abundant, and your journey one of trim and fulfillment. Here's another video which is a complete beginner's step-by-step guide to investing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting financial insights. Until next time, this is your guide through the financial matrix, signing off. Peace.